Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 14th of October, Thursday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyzed market today and the yesterday and have banked beautiful pips and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD and the pound dollar and the dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD, and if you look at the 4-hour chart, because we were waiting yesterday about that news, we had this breakout trade, bank beautiful pips, as explained to my previous analysis. The video link is given in the video description that we were expecting if the price going to break this false breakout, then we're expecting a counter long trade here. And yesterday after the news, you can see here, we had a bullish engulfing candle and price broken the previous high, so we will keep banking long trade here, and we just close trade as soon as the price hit to the resistance level, as you can see here, and the 4-hour chart, which is 100 EMA. So we bank beautiful pips. And looking here, let's see tomorrow if the price gonna stay above that level, then possibility of pullback at this level or at this level. Otherwise, as I said to you guys, we are intraday trader. If you find any opportunities counter, we also take counter opportunities. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market here and bank beautiful pips in intraday. And if I show you the intraday analysis, and if you look at from yesterday, we had this after this news, explained to my trader, there's a possibility if the price gonna break or reverse, and if the price gonna break, we're going to take a momentum if the momentum is bullish, so we're going to be taking here. And I already explained to my trader, if you look at very carefully, so we have inverted head and shoulder pattern, and the price broken this level as mentioned here in 4-hour. You can see here in intraday we have this breakout. I explained to my trader, and afterwards explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. So we have breakout and pullback, momentum is bullish. We had such a nice beautiful trade, and I keep explaining to my trader. Even at the Asian session, I explained to my trader, keep taking a pullback. We have another beautiful pullback long trade at the Asian session. And at the London morning session, I also explained to my trader, as long as the momentum is bullish, we have a major structure broken, so just keep taking a pullback until the price can hit to the 100 EMA, which is the resistance level, as I show you. And we at the moment, as you can see here, just before London Open, we have another beautiful breakout or pullback. As soon as the price hit this level at the green fib channel, explained to my trader, it's time to enjoying profit. So we had a beautiful long trade on Euro USD, beautiful. We're still expecting, let's see tomorrow, we'll let you know updates. Let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had another beautiful trade, and we are holding a short trade on counter, which is I'm going to explain to you. Okay, yesterday we had it after this news, as always, exactly like Euro USD. We had after this news release, we have this bullish engulfing candle, price broken previous high. Explain to my trader, just keep taking a pullback as long as the price can hit to the 200 EMA or at this level. So we had a quite long trade from yesterday, keep banking it. And today we, after this spinning top candle, price develop a false breakout, could not maintain at this above this level, so we have a counter short trade here, and still traders are banking some profit. We'll see tomorrow. As I said to you guys, we are intraday. If the price can stay above this level, pull back long here, otherwise expecting a short trade here, because the channel broken with a false breakout has been developed. We'll let you know tomorrow. Let me share with you guys how I analyze in intraday and help my traders bank profit, both trendy and the counter. And if I show you the intraday analysis, as you can see here from yesterday after the news release, and you can see here this was the breakout, as explained to my trader, previous low is broken, so we're going to wait. If the price is going to break, then we're going to take a long trade here, this level. And exactly, if you look at here, we have this pattern in 4-hour chart, and as soon as the price develop a bullish engulfing candle, that give us the confidence, and explain to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. We have this breakout trade, and afterwards one pullback, second pullback, and I keep telling traders, just keep taking a pullbacks after the T. And at the, you can see here at the Asian session, I explained to my trader, look for another pullback only way we're going to look for counter if the price is going to break. After the break, if the price is going to give us the retest, otherwise we're just going to keep taking it, pull back and break out. As explained to trader, we have this breakout and beautiful trade as soon as the price hit 200 EMA at this level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy profit. So we had a beautiful, because the 4-hour price action candlestick pattern also support us. We have developed our sentiment and bias, and we taking a trade positions through intraday. Beautiful pips. At the New York session, I explained to my trader, this is the pattern is developed. We're going to see if the price, this look like a bull flag pattern. I said to my trader, if the price is going to break, then we're going to take a trade. Otherwise, if the price is going to stay below this level, then we're going to be taking a short trade here. As explained to my trader through live commentary, if the price break and retest, then it's going to be give us the confirmation, then we're going to be taking a short trade here. Exactly what happened here. You can see here, price broken, retest once, and second time when the price develops second time, double top, that give us the confirmation and beautiful short trade here as soon as the price hit to the support level. And that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profits. We just recently banked this beautiful profit on pound dollar, and some of the traders still holding short. Good luck. Let's see tomorrow, guys. All right, so let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had a quite interesting trades too. And if you look at the dollar CAD, as explained to my previous analysis, if you haven't seen it, watch that video, link is given in the video description. All right, so as you can see here, we had this consolidation from last couple of days. So we were expecting this breakout. So we had, after this, just before the news, we have this bearish engulfing candle pattern, and we have taken a short trade here, and later on news also supported. We had a beautiful short trade here. Even today I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback short trade here. So we had a beautiful trades on short trades on dollar CAD. Let me explain to you how we did in intraday analysis. And if you look at here, this is the analysis from yesterday when the price developed a consolidation. We already had this breakout just before the news in London morning session. We had this breakout and explained to my trader, just keep holding it. And afterwards the news was in favor. So you can see here, beautiful short trade here. As soon as the price hit, this is the first fib channel, first target, second target, and that's what we explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So we had a beautiful short trade from this from yesterday. Today I explained to my trader, look for any pullback is developed, we should be taking it. As you can see here, price develop another sort of like, you can see here, bearish flag pattern, which we announced through live audio commentary. We have another beautiful short trade here, bank beautiful short trade on dollar CAD. So we had amazing trades, guys, on dollar CAD, and recently we have another short trade on the pound yen. This is the trade. We just, some of the traders have still banking some profit. You can see here we were long. You can see here breakout. All these trade from yesterday we were long, pullback longs. This morning, this afternoon at the New York session, explained to my trader, if you look at in 4-hour chart, so you can see here, if the price gonna come back, we should be taking a short trade here. Some of the traders are still holding, banking, already banked beautiful pips, still holding short trade here. Let's see tomorrow if we see the bearish engulfing candle, then possibility of short trade here. We might going to squeeze a few more pips until price gonna hit this level. So we'll let you know tomorrow, guys. As you know that we had a beautiful short trades, and as you can see, most of the analysis bank beautiful pips, beautiful pips. As soon as the price develop another pattern, we broadcast that information instantly and communicate through live audio commentary with our trader through this live audio squawk. You can see I'm still online now, helping my traders to bank juicy pips. As you can see, I just did analysis. Pound, I said once the price refused to this one, I instantly broadcast that information and explain to my trader, just keep taking a short trade here, enjoying it. So you can see he's still enjoying it. The first target would be this fifth channel. We'll let you know tomorrow, and that's what exactly we do every single day. I hope, guys, you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time, banking profit in real time, and the most important thing is developing your trading skill in real time. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result through this virtual platform, I can help you to get funded from platforms. If you are interested how I train people with a live market in real time through live intraday analysis, how I help them to get funded. Feel free, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Myself or one of my team member will help you and show you how you can become a successful trader and get funded. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Until next time, all the best.